Good boy, good boy.
I can't believe he's getting in the water.
He's loving it. It's fun. It's great safe water for him too.
He's like a deer.
Hey boys, come here. Other side. Oh, that's a beautiful
This makes
thing.
me so happy. I can't even tell you.
I mean, that is just like... Whoa!
Nice job, Bryce. Hi, Skipper.
Come on, Whitney. You can do it. Don't get scared on the other side.
Come on, baby.
Don't get psyched out.
Come on, Whitley.
Is he seeing water you just crossed? Come on.
Whitley.
Come on.
Whitley.
Bryce, go get him. Go get him. Show him. Show him how it's done.
Yo, I'm their best friend. Oh, yay.
Good boy.
Dumbass, come this way.
No.
He's going back for more? I don't believe it. I don't believe it! Whitley, you're a good boy. You are such a good boy.
I love it. Bananas?